Hey, so for my Team World Vision friends, I wanted to give you kind of a one-on-one level class on how to use Canva if you're not familiar with it. So that way, if you want to make a donation poster, you definitely can. Canva is a lighter version of Photoshop. It's gotten popular the last 5 years or so, and it's basically designed to be a simple version of a graphic design software. You can use it for free. There is a pro version where you can get access to certain features to be able to go above and beyond. But for the purposes of making a simple poster, you can use it for free. You can export it, you can print it, and so on and so forth. What I did is I took a template, changed up some of the wording, added in some photos and whatnot, and I'm basically going to be flying with this thing. To make a new file, once you've got an account, you can basically go into here, create a new design, and once you do so, it's going to give you access to a couple of different templates. Anything with the little crown icon is going to be pro and requires a subscription, but you can always find something that's free and kind of change it up as such. If you search for a different template and whatnot, you might be able to find something good here. Also over here on the left, there's going to be different elements. So if you want to do graphic design elements like lines or frames or arrows or so on and so forth, it gives you access to different things that you can kind of drag and drop in here. If you go down to text, it allows you to add a couple of different text boxes. That's basically what each of these guys are over here. Just separate text boxes. You can copy them, you can paste them, you can make different layers and so on. And then to adjust the font and size and whatnot, that's all going to be up at the top here. So you've got size, you can bold it, you can unbold it as needed, change up colors, put it in italics. And you'll see that also all pops up as soon as you click on it. So you can see that font's changing as it goes around because I used a couple of different fonts in here. Brand you don't have to worry about. Uploads, this is if you are uploading different pictures. So like I would use a QR code generator to make this QR code that people can scan to do donations. Likewise, I also spit in a Team World Vision logo, and there I am finishing the marathon. So basically those were elements that I generated on the side and just imported into this document. You can also draw on it. I did not do that at all. And then over here you can do different projects of sorts as well. So overall, it's a very simple graphic design software. Basically, you just drag and drop elements in, change them up, and go from there. The nice thing is it has all these different guides. So if you're trying to make sure if something's straight or not, it'll kind of tell you and help you along the way. It also has redo, undo. So if you make a mistake and you got to fix something, you can just undo it real quick. Once you are all done, there's going to be the share button here. And when you go to share it, you can either copy and paste a link and people can pull it up if you want to collaborate with others. Otherwise, you can also download as well too. There's going to be a couple options that get grayed out unless you're a pro member, but you could do basic options for free. The only exception to that is if you use certain elements that are part of the pro subscription, it's going to blank out some of these. So like, for example, here's a pro subscription one. I'm just going to drop this guy right here. So you can see it's got some watermarks on here. If I click remove watermarks, that is when it's going to start charging me for a pro subscription. But now if I go to share and I want to try downloading this thing, well, it's going to pop up with a watermark, I guess. It'll let me get through it, but obviously we don't want that. Yeah, but basically, if you're looking to design a flyer for fundraising, I'd recommend going through their templates, find something that looks pretty good, and then basically just change it up for your own specific purposes. I originally used this pro template of a World Water Day, but then I removed all the pro elements out of it. So it's just that simple. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have some great fundraising.